A building is an asset from design through construction, during operation, and until the end of occupancy. So let BuildingWorks work for you. BuildingWorks offers a suite of products and services to help you manage your facility for its entire life. Introducing DataStart, DataSphere, and DataView. DataStart is an online, cloud-based electronic capture tool used during the pre-construction and construction processes. DataStart can be used by architects and engineers, contractors, subcontractors, and owners for collaboration and communication, and to provide transparency and visibility of all the construction documents from the beginning of design through the closeout of the project. DataStart sites are a series of pages and libraries that house collections of electronic documents organized by category that participants can access, view, and comment on during the different project phases. DataStart is accessed through a unique login, which determines the permission rights to the site, pages, and libraries. The client homepage is the portal to all ongoing projects for a client or owner. The project homepage is the portal that a participant would access if working on only one project. The programming and design libraries are for professionals to view and comment on the drawings and specifications as they are developed. This construction phase page links to the document libraries, which are organized based on the project specifications. Pages can include as many libraries as the client or users would like to define. Individual libraries can also include unique, customizable columns to define and describe the documents stored in that library. Libraries can be further defined with subfolders. This Division 15 submittal library is broken down into folders as defined by the specification manual sections. Submittal libraries can be set up to allow for an electronic approval workflow process. The submittal approval workflow process starts when a submittal is uploaded to the DataStart. In this case, the subcontractor starts the process. An email is sent to the submitter stating that the approval process has begun. The first approver, in this case the general contractor, also receives an email that assigns a task to be completed. The message tells the approver where to go to access the information, what is expected from the approver, and how to complete the workflow approval process. The approver is first asked to download the submittal from the DataStart library to his or her computer for review, comment, and stamp. Once the review is completed and the PDF is stamped appropriately, the document is then re-uploaded into the DataStart. Through the wizard, notes can be added which all participants will see on the submittal library page. Also, the version history can be viewed at this time. The reviewer must now complete the DataStart workflow process. By clicking the In Progress link, the first reviewer is taken to the DataStart workflow approval task page. The completion of the DataStart workflow approval requires that the first approver click the response through the wizard that mirrors the stamp on the submittal. If that submittal is approved, the process begins again with the second approver by using the same steps. If a submittal is rejected or resubmittal is required, the DataStart workflow approval process ends automatically and a notification is generated to the original submitter to begin the process again. Once the submittal has been approved by all the reviewers, the submitter receives an email that the submittal has been approved. Workflow approval processes can be created for submittal libraries, the RFI library, or any other library the user chooses. The BuildingWorks DataStart can be a standalone product or used in conjunction with BuildingWorks DataSphere. The BuildingWorks Inc. DataSphere allows you to be connected electronically to valuable closeout documents for the life of your building. DataSphere is the as-built of the information that flows during construction. Quickly and easily, anyone can find and retrieve data to perform preventative, predictive, and critical maintenance. BuildingWorks provides interactive access to the information in 3 ways. The first view, the directory of rooms. What differentiates BuildingWorks from other electronic tools is that the equipment and finishes are associated to the room or area in which it resides. Clicking on the room pulls up the finishes. Clicking Associated Equipment links you to equipment, door, and door hardware associated with that room. Clicking on a piece of equipment shows further details on manufacturer, model number, serial number, and the documents associated with that specific piece of equipment. The equipment category is another view to find the same building information. The category is organized by division, system, or manufacturer. Clicking on the electrical system pulls up a list of electrical equipment. Clicking on the piece of equipment links to the same detail page as we saw through the directory of rooms. The third view is through the drawing sheets. DataSphere houses PDF copies of construction and as-built drawings. Clicking on a link to a drawing and then on a highlighted piece of equipment on that drawing links to the submittal, and the submittal links to the manual, and the manual links to the manufacturer's website. There are other important documents to retain with the project. The DataSphere Documents category houses that information and is subdivided into categories: contractor warranty letters, correspondence, equipment manuals, photos and videos, reports, and approved and informational submittals. You will find the project specification manual, as well as RFIs, ASIs, change orders, CAD files, and renderings or models in the drawings category as well. The last category is contacts. Project participants are accessed through different views depending on how you like to search. We have a search function that will become your best friend when navigating through the DataSphere. Click Ctrl F, type in a few letters in the search box, and the highlighted search answers will become visible. It is imperative to maintain the facility to achieve maximum efficiency and to prolong the life of equipment and finishes. With an easy-to-use point-and-click electronic system, your facility people will have the tool to maintain and sustain the building as it was designed. DataView is a cloud-based internet tool enabling you to see your DataSphere anytime, anywhere. DataView with login security allows access to the important information needed to maintain and sustain the facility as it was designed. It has been shown that simply automating the process of finding and retrieving the maintenance information on your facility can lead to a 5% to 30% potential savings. Being able to access information is critical to saving time and money. If and when changes in equipment or finishes occur, there is an easy process to make the data change, retain the history, and create the planned maintenance notification so critical to the success of the facility. First, access the change order form available in DataView. Fill in the required fields with the new information that will mirror the existing data, i.e. equipment description, manufacturer, model number, and room number. Upload any corresponding documents into the site, and BuildingWorks Inc. will do the rest, just as we did for the original DataSphere. We will make the appropriate changes in your database. We will exchange the submittal and equipment manual information to reflect the change, and we will retain the history of that equipment replacement. Once those changes are complete, your updated DataSphere will reflect the current and real-time view of your facility. DataView keeps your DataSphere current, accessible, and accurate so your building works for you. BuildingWorks' mission is to provide complete and accurate building information so the building operates efficiently as it was designed and prolongs the life of the systems. With its suite of tools, we enable each of the team members to manage building information starting at inception of design through the end of building use. We bring it all together, anytime, anywhere. BuildingWorks works for you.